Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you about the USB problem in your phone Redmi A2. So in this device, if USB is not working, I will tell you how you can easily fix it. What you have to do is to follow all the steps, watch complete video, and if you are watching the video for the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Let's watch complete video and learn about it.